Hey, hold on. Ladies, what's going on?
She kept saying very nasty stuff to him. He ignored her.
Okay.
So then she started playing music very loud.
Okay.
But I will pee myself right now.
Maybe we should do this. We need to do this in the car.
A public disturbance at a major international airport, a medical marijuana card at a federal facility, a misdemeanor that became a felony in seconds.
180 go. Would you sell myself 184 out with some 13 keys? We're going to be out in front of the Orlando market. Hey. Hold on. Ladies, what's going on? That's your bag, sir.
Yeah.
Who are these ladies to you?
Who are they?
That's my wife.
This is your wife? Okay. And this is your daughter?
No, this is my sister.
Your sister? Okay.
Yeah, she's
This lady's drunk?
yeah, she has been harassing people around here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's intoxicated?
I think so.
All right. 180 go. Could you send landside over to us for a signal to individual? What's she saying?
Alcohol me.
Who's not legal?
Turn around.
Lady, I can smell your breath from here. There's plenty of alcohol on it for 3 people, so.
No. Smell this.
No.
This.
So,
You smell it. Smell it.
yeah. No, that's fine. So what has she been doing?
So
I mean, you ladies have been sitting here for
I have her on video. So I've been here waiting on my daughter. There was a guy that I can show you the video. He came and sat right there, was on the phone, never said a word. She kept saying very nasty stuff to him. He ignored her.
Okay.
So then she started playing music very loud, singing to him. You could tell he was uncomfortable. So then she said to me, "Don't you think he should leave?" And I said, "No, I think you should leave him alone because he has not bothered you. You have been antagonizing him." He was so upset he got up and left. Then her daughter came and sat here. She came and sat next to her. I think she kissed her daughter on the cheek. She did. Those people came and were sitting here while she was talking to her daughter. The parents left, and then she started harassing those babies. Then she looked at me like she didn't know what to do. And then the parents came over, and then she trying to take their thing. And then she called me several.
Okay.
And I had already
So
called
she just-
security. It's just weird to me how
She's
y'all
just causing
sat-
a disturbance. Then?
Right, but can I
Okay.
ask you a question? Because y'all sat right there, the four of y'all watching this
Well,
go
we
on.
trying to figure out who was doing what because all the information that we had was somebody over there was drunk.
Sure.
And they were abusing kids. That's what was relayed to us.
But why did it take for this lady to call y'all when y'all saw her
once-
tussling with this girl's bag? Like y'all wouldn't
Okay,
even did
so
nothing.
from where we were standing, there were 2 people right here, somebody over here. We couldn't see what was actually going on because of how they were positioned. They were close enough together on the other side of this table that we couldn't actually see it. As we started coming over, when he came back and we started moving over to determine it.
So do you know? And this is just my thing. Do you understand how that could have went from 0 to 100 by the time had she not called y'all? I watched her demeanor. When I watched her pick up her bag and put it over there, she was about to. But people could have got hurt.
We're about 40 feet away, and we're trying to determine what's going on. We're not going to come over here and stand right here.
Even if y'all see a tussle.
Once it started, we came over.
No, she called y'all and y'all came over. Because
there wasn't anything I could see from where I was. Because of the way this family was around that bag, and she was on this side of the bag, right?
That's just dangerous.
She was on this side of the bag, so.
I'm just saying that's dangerous.
But we're gonna get her. Hopefully, we're gonna get her out of here. So.
You have an identification, ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you grab that for me? Should be in here.
Yeah,
You just stay seated.
Absolutely. I have county clerk's office. You can take the whole wallet.
No, you go ahead and just pull it out. So
This is my county clerk. That's all I got.
Well, you got anything else with your name on it?
Yeah.
This is identification.
Yeah, I have that. I have this.
Okay.
I have anything. I have to pee. I really have to pee.
Okay, you're just going to have to wait a second.
I literally can.
What are these things?
That is my medical marijuana card.
How are you getting on the plane?
That right here.
That is work for you?
Yeah. That has been working for me, sir.
Okay.
Please. help me out.
Just sit down, just chill out. We'll figure out what's going on,
Can
okay?
I please use the restroom?
We gotta wait for just a second. I'm sorry. I don't have a female officer here.
What are you doing here?
Hey, look at me. Look at me.
The thing is, you
Look at me.
probably have warrants yourself.
Ma'am, sit down and relax. If you start doing that, we're going to have to take you to jail, okay? I don't want to have to do that. You don't want to have to sit in there.
Why
It's
is
not
she
nice.
laughing at me?
Well, she's laughing because you just called her. Okay? That's why she's laughing. So don't focus on me. Okay? Focus here. Stephanie, what's the R stand for?
I have to pee right now.
I know.
I'm not giving you any R.
You're not giving me any R?
I have to pee. I have to pee after hours. I have to pee if you want to pee on myself.
Okay, I can't do it.
I'll pee on myself. I will.
can't help it. I'm sorry. You're going to have to wait.
I'll pee on myself.
Concentrate.
I'll pee on myself.
Concentrate. No. We're not going to do that.
Yeah, I'm going to
We're not going to do that. Okay?
You want it-
You're not going to pull your pants down, okay? We
I'm
will
not
take you
gonna-
to jail, okay?
I'm not going to
You're just
rest
gonna need to
my,
wait.
my butt down, but
You're
I
gonna
will
need to wait.
rest myself to pee. I will.
You need to hold on to it like a lady, okay?
No, we're done.
They just gave you information.
We're done.
It's not Stephanie.
We're done.
Thank you.
We're done. We're done.
Okay.
We're done.
Listen to what he's saying. Do you understand your rights, ma'am? He just read it.
No, I do not understand my rights, and I ain't gonna apply them. No. 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 No.
Oh.
No.
That you didn't want to talk to, right?
Yep, so we're done.
Discussing it with her?
No. I've done nothing, I am nothing, and I've done nothing. I've done nothing, and I have to pay. Okay, well, whatever.
Go ahead and stand up for us, Stephanie.
Yep, stand up.
Whatever the case may be, but I am not at risk for anything.
She said she did.
Yes, I do.
What airline were you flying out on, ma'am?
No.
Okay. You got her? You gotta keep her
Yep.
from falling. I got her. You got her?
Nothing else. No, I did not.
Is it on your phone?
You were calling me names.
Okay, look here. Was he on? Is it on your phone?
Listen to me. I ain't answering any of your questions, so f yourself, okay?
Okay.
But I will pee myself right now.
Okay. Don't do that.
Yeah, I will.
You gotta be like a. You gotta
I will pee
act like-
myself. I told you I have to pee, and if you don't let me pee, I'll pee on you.
I don't have a vehicle checked out yet.
I have to pee. 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 There's something in there. I have to pee.
Okay.
Don't play with my money.
No.
Don't play with my money.
Okay, you gotta watch your language, please.
That piece of
Any other money besides this?
nothing.
Nothing? Just this? Maybe we should do this at the... We need to do this at the car. Let's do this at the car. You want to take mine? I got a car right
You have
in
an
here.
MCT in there?
No.
We'll get the MCT, don't worry.
Yeah, I'll get you an MCT.
Just
Let's just get her out of here. Ready? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. If you guys follow us out, one of you don't mind grabbing that?
no, we'll grab that.
There's my sweatshirt. You left on the ground.
We're gonna get it.
Nope. Get my sweatshirt. 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 No, it's out on the ground. Get my sweatshirt. Get my sweatshirt. Get my sweatshirt. Get my sweatshirt. Get my sweatshirt.
Let's go.
I don't really care. I didn't do anything. Oops, I'm sorry. I can't get my legs. I can't get my legs to work.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry. I can't get my legs to work.
I'll go get a.
I can't get my legs to work. I can't get my legs to work.
I'm gonna go grab a cart.
If you
Can't
no,
get
just
my
turn,
legs.
just turn Turn around.
Sorry,
Walk her
I can't
backwards.
get my legs to work.
Hold on.
Tommy,
Stop.
turn
Stop.
around.
Tommy, turn around. Grab the other arm.
You need a wheelchair?
Under her.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah, I do.
just walk with these people right here.
All right.
I can't. I'm hurting.
There you go.
Can't even do anything. I can't even do anything. I can't.
You're doing fine. Just keep walking backwards like that.
Yeah, I'm hurting. Hurting.
Well, you're about to be put in the back of the car. You'll be all right.
Hurting. I'm hurting. I can't. I'm hurting.
Okay, before she goes in, the purse needs to come off. Scarf needs to come off.
Skirt needs to come off.
Hold on, no.
But here's the thing. That skirt is more than your...
Hey, don't be trying to kick anybody. You end up catching another charge.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
If he hurts me
Yeah,
any
no, I'm just
further,
keeping the ankle crossed.
I promise you I'm going to press charges
Hey,
on
we're gonna be
you
right out in front of the Spirit on the curbside.
Yeah. Person needs to come off.
solely. I'm 4'11" 3/4. This is necessary.
Your actions made it necessary.
This is necessary. This is necessary. 4'11" 3/4. This is necessary. 4'11" 3/4. This is necessary. 4'11" 3/4. This is necessary.
Just undo it. I'm just right there.
4'11" 3/4. This is necessary. Don't touch my.
Hey. Do not bite.
Do not bite. Do not kick. You will get sprayed.
Spray me. Spray me. Cocksucker. Spray me. How they're getting my. I will fight you and I will get you. I promise. I will get you. 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 I will get you.
Come on. Go on the other side. Open the door.
Just a minute so we can deal with this.
I promise you on all my life, I'm a part of you. Little pussy. I promise you.
So, ma'am, this is a trespass notification form. This indicates that you are not allowed at the Orlando International Airport, ever. So you cannot come to Terminal A, B, C, or Bright Line.
Get the out of here, sucker!
Okay, you'll get a... I'm putting it inside of it.
During a search of her belongings, officers discovered multiple small bottles of Sutter Home white wine.
I think she brought it from
Just throw them out.
I'll just have to throw them out at the jail.
Yeah, not here.
Just throw them out at P&A.
Which laws applied here? Did the officers follow them correctly? The answers reveal something far more complex than what appeared on camera. In Florida Statute Section 856, 11 defines disorderly intoxication as being intoxicated in a public place and acting in a manner that is boisterous, threatening, or offensive or harmful to others. 3 elements. All 3 must be proven. Element 1, intoxication confirmed by odor. Impaired coordination, alcohol found during inventory search. Element 2, an international airport is unambiguously a public place. Element 3, witness testimony documents harassment of adults and minors. A physical altercation over a bag. The subject produced a Florida medical marijuana card at a federal facility under 21 U.S.C. Section 812. Marijuana remains a Schedule I substance under federal law, regardless of any state authorization. The Transportation Security Administration operates under federal jurisdiction. State medical cards carry zero protection at federal airports. Miranda v. Arizona 1000. 966 requires advisement of rights when a person is in custody and subject to interrogation. Rights were read on scene prior to transport. That step is legally critical. Omitting it can render any subsequent statement inadmissible in court. Graham v. Connor 1000. 989 established that use of force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the crime, immediacy of threat to officers or the public, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Here, the underlying offense was a misdemeanor, but the subject's attempts to kick officers and repeated explicit threats to bite shifted factor 2 from low to high immediately. That shift directly affects the proportionality calculation. Florida statute section 784. 7 reclassifies battery against a law enforcement officer in the lawful performance of duties from a misdemeanor to a 3rd-degree felony, carrying a maximum of 5 years in state prison and a $5,000 fine. Virginia v. Black 2003 holds that true threats fall outside First Amendment protection. True threats are defined as statements expressing a serious intent to commit unlawful violence against a specific person. Repeated threats to bite officers meet this standard. Illinois v. Lafayette 1000. 983 authorizes officers to conduct a complete inventory search of an arrestee's personal effects as part of the booking process. Removing the bag and scarf before vehicle entry is both legally authorized and tactically required under Florida statute. Chapter 332. Greater Orlando Aviation Authority holds independent authority to issue permanent trespass notices. In return, after this notice becomes criminal trespass under Florida statute section 810.9. 3 lessons this case makes clear. First, a minor public offense can escalate to a felony the moment a subject physically threatens an officer on duty. Second, a state-issued health card does not override federal law at a federally regulated facility. Third, Miranda advisement is not optional. It's structural. One question the footage does not answer. Marijuana card was identified, but no federal charge followed. Was that a deliberate enforcement decision, or a gap that prosecutors may revisit? Federal and state charges are not mutually exclusive. A second open question: the felony battery charge proceeds to trial. Prosecution must prove the subject actually touched or struck an officer, not merely threatened to. In Florida statute section 784.3 requires intentional contact. Verbal threats alone may not satisfy the actus reus element. A third question that rarely gets asked: an officer uses gendered or dismissive language during a lawful detention. Does that language create exposure for the department under section 1000? A knife, 983 civil rights claims. Even if the underlying arrest is legally valid, this case sits at the intersection of state misdemeanor law, federal drug jurisdiction, felony battery reclassification, First Amendment limits. What the court decides on each of these questions will determine whether this was a clean arrest or a more complicated legal story. The charges are filed, trespass is issued, but the legal analysis is not finished. Share your perspective in the comments below.